This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert symbols in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. To insert symbols into Excel, first thing you want to do is select the cell that you want to insert the symbol. Then you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab. Click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go off to the far right, down to where you see the Symbols section. And in the Symbols section, here is Equations, and here is Symbols. I'm going to click on Symbol. A little dialog box will pop open, giving you a bunch of symbols here. At the very top, you have a lot of options here. At the very top, you have symbols, special characters. Then you have your font that you want to use. You could select a font. You could select a subset. In here, there is a drop-down box that you could choose between symbols. Down below that, recently used symbols. Say that I wanted to use this symbol. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to click on Close. There's my symbol right there. That is how to insert symbols in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.